Barevjes, Clem Arnold Burgos, y representante, Filipinas, Snorha Kalutson. Hello po, ako po si Clem Arnold Burgos. Isa po akong pastor's kid from Negros. Pero lumaki po ako dito sa Antique at saka sa Iloilo kung saan ako nag-aaral ngayon sa Central Philippine University. Actually, yung competition itself was so unexpected. 2018, iba yung plan ng tao sa akin. But this happened and it goes to show siguro na God will always have the better plan. So ito yung nangyari. So I hope na maging inspiration ito sa iba na to always trust God na lang, especially on His proper timing. Maganda talaga yung Armenia and nag-enjoy ako sa 2-day excursion namin. However, I remember that time na parang na-discourage ako kasi ako lang mag-isa. Parang na-jealous ako sa mga kapwa ko contestants kasi andun yung parents nila, andun yung coaches nila, tapos ako wala. And then there was a language barrier kasi mag-isang Pinoy lang ako na nag-compete. And then, that time, yung tanging pinaghugutan ko lang talaga ng lakas is si God. Kasi I look different from others. And out of the 44 sa amin, I performed 42nd. So, I really took the time to prepare, to pray, and then gave my all sa performance na yun. And what melted my heart talaga is yung nakita ko na yung 8 judges, perfect 10 yung binigay sa akin. Kasi wala silang tabulation but scores from 1 to 10. And parang sabi ko nung time na yon, grabe yung appreciation ng mga tao dito when it comes to arts. And I'm very happy to say na ako yung pinili na nag-first place sa acting category and eventually naging overall champion sa 5th International Competition of Arts and Culture. This is Clem Marnel Burgos, your Ani ng Dangal awardee for 2019 from Central Philippine University in the heart of Iloilo City. #ForTheLord.